Okay guys, we create this main part in the previous lesson and we are going to complete it, but what we do up till now, we create a title slide, an introduction slide here you can see, and the first main part and the second main part and the thank you slide. If you want to see what happened, you can see them in the previous lessons, but now let's try to create this one and let's make it look better. We have it by now, but it's not the one we want. Why? Because it's not looking beautiful or anything else. What we are going to do, we are going to make 3 copies of this, and after making 3 copies of this, we are going to format background to white, and here is also format background to white. After that, we are going to do some transition for it to look better. Okay, let me just make it down and make it down. Okay, we have it. Now I want to select all of them and make them the color just a great yellow outline and no fill. Okay, and then the thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a copy of that and paste it on it and give it a color like this. The color we have here, I don't know what is it. Okay, it's good. And I'm going to go here and make it something like this, and then I'm going to lower these two in the transparency, make them lower, and also go to text option and make the text transparency lower. Okay, now in this slide I'm going to do what? I'm going to just copy these 2 things and delete these 3 things, paste it here, and then just simply put it here and change it color to this color we have here. And okay, it's good, and I think it's also good that we have the shape here. No, we don't need that. And select them all and make the transparency low, and also go to text option and make the transparency low. Now I want to copy this thing, go here, select all of them, delete them, paste them, and then make it here and change the color from here to this color. Okay, we have it now. And then the thing I want to do is select both of them and make them transparency low, and go to text option and also do the same thing for the text. Now select all of them and set the transition to morph, and also this one to push. Okay, now let's see what we created. Okay, this is the first one. We don't need to see them, we just go to the point here. You see the great and amazing effect. We can also, now we don't need these 2 circles, also we can delete them. The transitions gave you time to take a little rest without speaking, and it's good for you to have transition your slides, something like this. It looks amazing, and I'm going to tell you what you are going to do in this presentation in the next video. Until then, don't forget to ask me if you need in the comments, anything in the comments I will answer, and like and subscribe please. Have a nice night.